Hello friends, how are you all? Today I'm preparing spinach with chicken or palak chicken. We are taking 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. To this we are adding 1.5 inch of cinnamon stick, cardamom, 1 black cardamom, quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, and then transfer chopped onions. Saute till it turns slightly golden in color. Cover and cook for a few minutes. Spinach is rich in micronutrients like vitamin A, C, calcium, magnesium, beta carotene and folic acid. Now we are adding quarter teaspoon of ginger and a teaspoon of garlic paste. Fry till the aroma goes off. Or the garlic is properly cooked. Add a large size chopped tomatoes, 3 split green chilies. Fry till the tomato softens. Add salt as per the taste. Add 2 teaspoons of paprika powder. You may adjust this as per your taste. Two teaspoons of coriander powder. Fry till the spices are cooked. Add chopped coriander leaves. Fry for a few minutes. Now add the chicken pieces. This is 250 to 300 gram in quantity. Fry till all the spices are coated evenly on the chicken. Fry for 5 to 10 minutes. Cover and cook for some time. Remove the lid and fry in between. turmeric powder, garam masala powder, mix the spices. Now add the chopped spinach. Mix well. Cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the lid and cook till the gravy thickness reach the desired consistency. Please try this at home and do share in comment section if you like the recipe. Thanks for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe if you like the content.